Hello everyone. So today we are going to check another plugin or CDN network that will help us to get free CDN and use on our website for performance optimization. So we are going to use Cloudinary this time, and it's allow free 25 credits. That means 25 GB storage or 25 GB bandwidth every month, and it will be reset after you have finished 1 month. So if you are going to use from now, then August month will come, then it will be auto reset, and it will be complete auto reset in every month. So let's get started. At first we have to install Cloudinary plugin on our website. After that you have to go to there and click to sign up. So it will redirect to the sign up page. So you are already on the website, going to the sign up, and this time we will also use a temp mail. So where is the email? Name is for the password. We could generate a temporary password. So going to pick my country. You could pick any of those. Sorry, this time they are not going to allow us to use a temporary email. So we could use our real email, then add a prefix on the email, so we could use free CDN or anything else on the website. So it's accept our email address, and now let's see. So go back there, click next. You have to verify the email address. They already sent you a verification email, so check your inbox and verify. Sometimes it might be taken a few minutes, and you should also check the spam folder. And let's go to verify the account. You could pick any of this, it's just optional stuff. Then go to dashboard, click your API information, go back to the site, add your API there, then it will auto connect it. Click to next and click here making is advanced option. So here you will see all the option is enabled by default. I would like to recommend you to keep it the same. Then go to the next, then go back to the plugin dashboard. After that you will get lots of settings there, so let's check one by one. So go to the general settings. From here you will see the synchronization option. So we have set it's to auto sync. It's by default set to auto sync. You could specify the folder. So storage, you could just put the files on the Cloudinary only, or even on the WordPress. So you could also pick this one for low resolution, but we will going to use the Cloudinary and WordPress default settings. Then go to the image settings, and here is the image optimization option. So we are going to image set the auto format. So when it's detect the browser, and if it support the OFP format, then it will auto serve the OFP images. And for the image quality you could define so something like 80 or maybe 60. It's up to you, but I would like to keep it to auto. And you could check other option. I would like to also enable the SVG support, but it's under the beta. So if you have a production site and has lot of SVG, then I would like to recommend you to disable this. Video settings, I am not going to use any video, so keep the default settings. And for the lazy load, we could keep the lazy load. And this means when someone visit the website at first, it will show something like that. Then when someone he scroll down to the section, it will be like this. Then the final version will be something like this. So preloaded and placeholder, then it will be loaded image. So you could use this, or you could just disable this, so it's up to you. And for responsive image, you could enable the responsive image for view different type of breakdown at the breakpoint. So it will auto resize the images for your mobile screen. So if you have a large image for your desktop, but you don't resize for the mobile, so the large size image will be loaded on the mobile screen. That time it will consume more bandwidth and slow down your website speed. That time you should use this option, so it will detect the mobile screen size and serve the exact or the perfect image size. So it will serve as a low quality and good fit on the mobile screen. So you could keep this as it is now. Then for the gallery settings, we don't need to do anything else. So let's see how does it work on the front end. So go to the inspect element, go to the network tab, give a refresh, filter images, scroll down and open an image on the new tab. You see it's served from Cloudinary. It's not delivered from our server, it's from the CDN, so the website will be load faster and use low resource from our hosting. So the hosting will perform very well. Even when we have lots of visitor, then it will not be down very quickly. So that's it. You could use many more free CDN plugins, but this one is really great and I would like to recommend you to give a try, and if it fits on your needs, then you could go for it. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.